Hey, thanks for dropping into my channel. Today I am going to show you my secret weapon for scoring essentials on the Las Vegas Strip. Believe me when I say you don't want to be buying any of this stuff in the hotel gift shops. And the in-room mini bar and snacks will cost you a fortune. So the first thing I always do when I get to fabulous Las Vegas is to hit the Target on the Strip. The Target store is located at 3767 South Las Vegas Boulevard between MGM Grand and Planet Hollywood, right across the street from Park MGM. This is a smaller Target store. It doesn't sell TVs and electronics, but it offers the best prices and selection for essentials on the Las Vegas Strip. The hours of operation are from 7 a.m. until 10 p.m. Sunday through Wednesday, and 7 a.m. until midnight Thursday through Saturday. Located near the entrance, there is a Starbucks. Here we have fresh bananas, fresh fruit, all at reasonable Target prices. Packaged fruit, ready-to-go sandwiches, charcuterie, packaged vegetables, and ready-made salads. A wide selection of dairy products, eggs, butter, cheese, yogurt, packaged meat, cold cuts, t-shirts, underwear, socks, swimwear, slippers, and rows of snacks and drinks. In this aisle there is bread, cereal, coffee, and canned goods. The store also has everything else you might need, like hair products, cosmetics, diapers, health and wellness items, hygiene products, and sports and fitness products. And when it comes to the adult beverages, boy howdy, the Target has the best selection and prices available on the Las Vegas Strip for sure. And dude, they even have a beer cave. If you're staying at Bellagio, you can ride the Aria Express for free to Park MGM and just cross the street to the Target store. If you'd like to know more about the free-to-ride Aria Express tram, check out the video I made. I'll put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes up here for another fabulous Las Vegas video. Hit that center icon to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.